Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. These crunchy sesame seed candies make for a great snack and they can be kept for a long time. To start, pour 1 cup of sugar into a non-stick skillet. Melt the sugar while stirring with a spatula. When the sugar is fully melted, add in 1 teaspoon of butter and turn the stove off. Quickly stir in 1 cup of sesame seeds until well mixed. Pour the mixture on a parchment paper immediately. Spread a little bit and cover with another layer of parchment paper. Then flatten with the help of a rolling pin. Remove the parchment paper and use a sharp knife to cut the large square of candy into small squares, diamonds or rectangles while the sesame paste is still warm and soft. To speed up the cooling process and to keep the candies from sticking together, place them in the freezer and leave them there for about 20 minutes. Separate the candies and put them into a Ziploc bag. They can be served immediately or can be stored in the fridge. Crunchy sesame seed candies go great with coffee and tea. Well, hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!